Hi friends, my other video stopped, so I'm going to start over real quick and show you what's in the workshops. They're called Workshop Your Way. This is the Daisy Meadows card making workshop. There's enough product in here to make 16 cards, 4 cards each of 4 different designs. And inside the workshop you have everything, the stamp. There's a die cut in there for the bracket and the gate, card bases and envelopes, and these wooden shapes. The wooden shapes close to my heart offers are really nice because you can put ink on them, use marker, use shimmer brushes, add stickles, whatever you want to color them, or just leave them the natural wood color is really cool too. So inside the workshop there's always a packet of instructions that tell you how to cut your paper and how to assemble everything. So that comes in the workshop, and then you have enough paper and cardstock, colored cardstock, to make your cards. So this one uses, I'll bring it up close so you can see it. These are like the Easter egg page, and it's got plaid on the back. Then it's got peach, two colored cardstock and 2 white cardstocks to make all the cards in this set. So I love getting the workshops because it's easy. You don't have to like think too hard, and when you're done you have a whole set of beautiful cards. These are the coordinating cardstock packets you can get, and then this is the packet with stickers that you can get also. So this is the Daisy Meadows. Again, I want to show you how pretty these stickers are. They're thick cardstock. I think some people call them thickers. They're just thick stickers. But they're so pretty. I just love these spring colors so much. And the cardstock, I'll just show you the pages really quick. They're double-sided. Look at that pretty plaid. Gingham and plaid. This is just a blue. Look at those flowers. Aren't they just gorgeous? I'd like to have a bedspread like that. Seriously. And then again, here's the Easter egg. Look at the backside. The little bunnies. Isn't that fun? So you can make all kinds of fun spring projects with these. You don't have to be a card maker, and you don't have to be a scrapbooker. I use a lot of these papers in my planner and in journals. So you have that option. This is another set. This is the Eat, Play, Love. There's the stamps. I'll pull this out really quick so you can see what the die cuts look like. They come on little magnetic sheets, so they're easy to keep together, and I just keep my die cuts right in my stamp packets. Close to my heart are all clear acrylic stamps, and just so you know, they're made in Utah. It's a Utah company that makes these for close to my heart, so they're not made in China. They're a different type of acrylic stamps. Again, card bases, instructions, and the paper and cardstock that you need to make 16 cards in this set. So that was the card workshop. This is the Eat, Play, Love Scrapbooking Workshop. So I'm going to pull this and show you, just so you can see if you're a big scrapbooker, everything that you get in a scrapbooking workshop. These are also wood shapes, and they're all kitchen type shapes. Again, you can leave them natural, or you can color them with any type of medium you want. These are photo placeholders that you can put on your pages if you don't have photos to put on immediately, so you remember what size photos you need on your sheets. These are the pages that the workshop makes. You can change them up a little bit if you want, but it shows you, again, all of the cutting instructions on what to use your pages, for your pages. This is the scrapbooking sticker sheet. It's got strips of like paper washi. It's thick, like cardstock. And all of these really pretty. These are my favorite colors. I love like reds and greens and this aqua teals and stuff. This combo is so, I just love it so much. And look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? This paper is so pretty. It's got this fun design, which I love. And an interesting fact about me is I collect the old Pyrex that has the, I'm trying to remember what it's called, the Dutch kitchen pattern in these colors. The pattern design on it's different, but I love it. I love it so much. So there's 2 sheets of each. Look at this if you're like if you like the 2x2 scrapbooking. I know that there's a bunch of people that love. You can buy from other companies little 2x2 sheets and storage packets, but that's fun. The other side is this really pretty full page that you can scrapbook if you don't want to use this side. Cherries. Who doesn't love fresh cherries? Yum. More pretty plaids and yellows. And then these are, see how the die cuts punch out? And these are all good to be used in some of the scrapbook pages. I don't know if you can see that, but that says sweet. You just punch them out, use the instructions, look at that mixer, and make your pages. Here's some more pages made just for scrapbooking. And the sets come, you have the option of getting your memory keeper sheets for storage or not. So if you already have your own and you buy them in bulk and you don't want to buy these in the kit, you don't have to. That's an option. So the new March-April book has a lot of awesome product. I'm going to link my website so you can go check it out if you're interested. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Have a crafty day.